How to compact format in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use and compact all the text. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can select any of the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on one. So as you can see, it's getting loaded. Now simply double tap on it. Now here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Simply tap on this AA icon. Here, you'll be able to see different options like font, layout and themes. Simply select themes. Here, slowly scroll down. Here on the second option, you can see this compact icon. Simply tap on compact. Now as you can see, the whole interface has been changed. The text has been compacted and you can read it in this way. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.